How to log in PayPal without phone number. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll guide you on how you can log into PayPal without a phone number. So without any further ado and delay, let us get started with today's video. If you want to log in to your PayPal account without a phone number, let us explore the current options that we have. So we can launch the PayPal application first. And in order to log in, there are various ways. One way to quickly log in is by going to the login tab and using a saved password. So when you use any of your saved password, in my case, I've saved it to my Google's password manager. Yours could be iCloud manager or anything like that. So wherever you've saved it to, as long as you verify your biometric and login, you'll be instantly logged into PayPal without any issues. In another case scenario, you can just use your email and password and tap the login button and it should log you in instantly. But in some cases, it might ask for a double verification, which means that two-factor authentication might have been enabled. So you'd have to verify your phone number. Now, in that case, if you've added a recovery email, it will give you the option to use your recovery email instead of your phone number. So if you're being asked to enter your phone number, tap on this option called use email instead, which you can find over here and try to log in. And that way you should be able to log into PayPal without your phone number. Hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.